उड़ू ऊंचा।
Sound of the letter Q. Hello kids, today we are going to learn the sound of the letter Q. Say it with me. Qu, qu, qu. Quarter, qu, qu, quarter. This is a yummy cookie. Would you like to share with your friends? One big cookie. Let's break the cookie into half. You can take half. I will take half. Oh, other friends are here too. Let's break two halves into half again. Each piece of the cookie is the same size. Each piece is a quarter. When you break apart a cookie or a pizza or a cake into 4 equal parts, each part is a quarter. Quarter, quarter. Quilt, quilt. A quilt is a kind of a blanket. Quilts are made in different designs like patchwork, where pieces of cloth are brought together to make an attractive design. We use quilts to keep ourselves warm in winter. Quilt, quilt. Quadrilateral, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral are shapes with 4 sides and 4 corners. Shapes like squares and rectangles are quadrilaterals. Do you think these shapes are also quadrilaterals? What do you think? Yes, they are, because they have 4 sides and 4 corners. What about this beautiful quilt? Is this a quadrilateral too? What do you think? That's right. It is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Look at these pictures. This is a question mark. Question mark. Shirt. This is a duck which says quack, 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 quack. Whistle, whistle. Queen, queen. Which words begin with the sound qua? Does question mark begins with the sound qua? Yes, you are absolutely right. Question. What about shirt? No, shirt does not begin with the sound qua. Oh, what did you say? Queen? You're right. Queen. And what about quack and whistle? Yes, quack, quack begins with the sound qua. You did a great job.
Like, share and subscribe.